Hi guys, it's Rose from Phil's Aussie Motorsport Museum, and today we're not going to be working on really a classic car, but it is an Aussie classic. It's my 2008 VE Holden Commodore SV6 sitting right behind me. Got some major work to do on it. Promise you it looks really pretty from the back, not so much the front right now, but we're going to get it looking mint when it's done. So let's go have a look what we're doing. Okay, so here we go. Don't mind the exhaust, that's already off, as well as the tail shaft because of what we're doing today. As you know, these motors, the alloy techs, have a lot of timing chain issues, and that's exactly what's happening to you today. So we're doing your classic motor swap. I've already started. We've taken out the radiator, the fuse box, disconnected most of this engine loom, still got some of that to do. Taken all the air intake stuff off, just your simple stuff. All that's really left to do is disconnect the engine mounts and the fuel line, but we're going to be doing that with my mate who's coming soon. But we're putting this bad boy in, just your classic LY7 V6 alloy tech motor, nothing special. I wish we were LS swapping it as well, but that's not the case today, so let's jump right into it. Jimmy is here. Manifold is off. Now we're just working on anything else. Now we're going to take transmission off.
We're gonna keep going that way.
Okay, well I don't know.
Alright. Yep. Ooh, fuck.
What?
You just squashed my fucking finger.
So at the moment, I'm just going to be removing the coil packs so that we're able to change the spark plugs to the service. So it's currently night time and Jimmy left, but so far we've got the motor in. We haven't really secured it or anything because it got really late really quickly, but he'll be back tomorrow to finish off the job. So we'll get onto that straight away. So unfortunately I got called into work today unexpectedly, so I couldn't help Jimmy with the car, but he's working on it and he's keeping me updated, so it should be done by the end of today and I'm so excited to get home. So unfortunately I couldn't help Jimmy put the motor in because I got called into work and had to go, but he done everything and she starts and she runs, so I'm going to show you exactly what we're looking at. Everything's back in place. All I've got to do is relieve the engine covers. And she starts. No engine light too, so that's great.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Look at this cigarette. Tail shaft.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Shaft. This wasn't my fault. Too many burnouts. What happened?
Mr. Drifter, what happened?
Tail shaft.
So what's going on?
Can't drive it. Well, you can drive.
I'll just swap you. Mr.
everybody. We fixed the tail shaft, so everything's all good now. Just had a little minor issue, but it's all good now, so we're going to take it for another test drive and see if everything works properly. So, you ready, John?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm 100%.
Okay, let's go. Hopefully we won't kill you today. So, we're going to just take it nice and easy. Make sure the car works perfectly fine. No speeding, we're not going to push it at all.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, no pushing at all, Rose.
Only hit 7,000 RPM.
Hit 7,000.
7,000 RPM. It's okay. Well, yeah, car works fine. Hopefully we don't blow this motor up now.
No speeding.
Nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top. I wanna ride. I do a kick. Hands inside. Spit in my mouth. Look in my eyes. You sweat. Take a dive.
Test drive was very successful, car goes smooth and the engine works fine, so let's not blow this motor up. But thank you for watching. Subscribe to Phil's Motorsport Aussie Motorsport Museum to see more videos like this one, and I hope to see you soon.